So now the yeast. It just says mix it all together. I'm just going to do this here. Sour cream. And then 1, 2, I used a little bit of this, my Harris spice that I bought. So I always have problems with proofing dough in my house. My ceilings are very high, and it's, in winter especially, it's just kind of cool in here. I'm not saying cold, it's just not really rising temperature. So this recipe, and I'm going to tell you, it's from Sweet and Savory by Shiny.com. Told me to put the dough with the damp cloth in the microwave with a glass of hot water, and the microwave acts as an insulation box. I think that's a great idea. So I've finished with my filling. I have to let the dough proof a little longer. I'm going to give it like 45 more minutes since I cooked. I'm going to enjoy this little, this is some great dip from Trader Joe's. I shouldn't be advertising. Almond chipotle dip. It's fantastic. So let's see, after the proofing is done, we'll start with the next step. Look at this. My dough proofed, it looks good. So I'm going to take out my dough now. Let's see if it comes out. No. It's a little sticky. Here, that's how it looks like. I'm supposed to knead it for a little bit. It's very fluffy, wow. Wow, it feels wonderful. I mean, this is, I'm supposed to make a disc. I mean, wow. Not too much, we don't do too much. Flatten it to a disc. Like a pizza dough. I guess it's kind of for this. I'm gonna put it on here. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have a little flour back here. Guess I want to stick. I flatten this whole thing a little bit, like a half moon. All right. It's so airy. I don't know if this is from Okay, they're going in the oven now for 20 minutes. I think it's time to check the oven. I think they look pretty good. We're gonna have to check whether they taste good too. Okay, here's my pierogi. Looks very good. So, turned out good. Here's your filling. Very good. Perfect length. It got a little brown here, but I think it's still good. I wanted to show you like how the middle turned out, and it turned out wonderful.